I first heard these songs when I heard Pete Seeger sing them. But really, these are all older than Pete. I think these old folk songs are important to learn even if you don't think you're interested in folk music, because these songs all have really, really strong melodies to them that will help you become a well-informed musician and a great storyteller. In this video, I'm going to explain all the elements we need to read these songs and give you some step-by-step examples so you can easily practice them. Head down to the description to get the free PDF for all my reading lessons. And if there's anything here today you don't understand, you can go back to lesson 1 for an easy step-by-step guide that'll take you from the very beginning. So, take a look at page 9 with me, and I want you to take a look at the time signatures for all these songs. Today we're learning about 3/4 time. Remember that the top number in the time signature tells us how many beats are going to be in each measure. This means in the 3/4 time signature, we're going to have 3 beats in every measure. Let's try this first tune together here. And I want you to be really deliberate with your counting for your first time. As we play, we'll count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Here we go. Try to count with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good, and this counting to 3 can be a bit of an adjustment, right? So try this a few times. Feel free to rewind. But once you feel comfortable with that, we'll go again, and I'm going to ask you to count out loud for yourself this time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. As always, rewind and practice a few times till it feels really comfortable, and let me know in the comments if you can tell what song that is. Once you feel ready, let's try the next one. Again, take a look at the time signature. We're expecting 3 beats in every measure here, and I think you can tell right away there's a pickup measure here. So we'll deal with this the same way we've done before. When I count it off, 1, 2, 3, that G will happen on beat 3. Just scanning and taking a look at this tune before we start, we can see a lot of places where there's a quarter note into a half note directly after, right? These are going to be tricky, and it's a good place to practice looking ahead. Every time you see this rhythm of a quarter note into a half note, I want you to try to look at both notes at the same time. So what I mean is after I play the C here, I have a second to think, right? So I'm going to try to really look and process, oh look, next 2 notes are both E. That way, when I get there, I can just play them both in a row and I don't have to think about the second one very hard. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2. This idea of looking ahead at multiple notes at a time is a really important skill. So I would say don't move on past this one until you can really do it perfect. As always, rewind and try as many times as you need, and let me know in the comments if you can name that tune. Last one for today. I'm hoping this one's really going to be a challenge for you. If you look through, you can see there are so many quarter notes in a row here. You're really not going to get a break to think until about halfway through the song. Do your best to keep your eyes moving. Try to just power straight on through even if you make mistakes. And above all, have fun. Do the best you can. You can always rewind and try it again later. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2. Great job today. Have fun practicing. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and I'll see you next time.